Minister for Communication Ashwini Vaishnaw dedicated 254 4G mobile towers to the nation in Arunachal Pradesh in the presence of Union Minister of Law and Justice Kiren Rijiju, Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu and others through virtual mode today. Eid-ul-Fitr is being celebrated with religious fervor and gaiety across the country today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extended greetings to the people on the occasions of Eid-ul-Fitr. In a tweet, Modi hoped that the spirit of harmony and compassion will be furthered in society on the occasions. India has recorded 12,193 fresh COVID-19 cases in a span of 24 hours, with the number of active cases of the infection going up to 67,556 on Saturday. In IPL cricket today, April 22nd, Lucknow Super Giants will take on Gujarat Titans at Bharat Ratna Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ekana Cricket Stadium in Lucknow. In another match, Mumbai Indians are to lock on horns with Punjab Kings at Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai.